Right, welcome back. We are once again doing the Python crash course. Oop. We are on chapter 4 on example 4. And for this example, what we're going to be doing is making a list. And I know we've already gone through how to make a list. You put a variable, you equal it out to a bracket with a bunch of things. But so far, all we put in it are names, places, things like that. What we want to do with this list is create a list of numbers 1 through 1 million, and then use a for loop to print the numbers. So how we're going to do this is we're going to create a list like normal. So let's get to making the new file. And you guys know the deal. Save as. We're going to comment out the name and date. All right, and then we're gonna comment this as our list of a million. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna say this list is called numbers, and it's equal to list, and I believe it is written, yeah, list brackets, and then you're gonna hit the range again. So we're gonna use this class within the list, and then we're gonna say 1, and then we're gonna hit space, and we're gonna count out 1,000,001. So that's gonna be 6 zeros. In this case, it's gonna be 5 since the last value is gonna be 1. And we're gonna say so 1, 1, 2, so that's 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, and then 1,000,000. So we count it out, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. And we're going to change this last one to a 1 so that it is 1,000,001, and the range stops counting at 1 million. And so what the second thing it wanted us to do was print out all 1 million of these numbers using a for loop. So for number in numbers, oh, forgot the colon, print number. So if we save this, we come over here and we run this code, it will quickly go through all 1 million numbers. It's gonna take a little while. Thankfully, I have a pretty strong computer. This seems to be going by pretty fast. We have reached the 600,000, 700,000. So coming up pretty quickly, 800,000, 900,000. It should end very briefly. 1 million. So that was all for example 4. The next time we are going to be going over example 5. So this one was an extra short example. I hope you guys found this useful. If you did, like the video, share it, and if you really want, subscribe. See you guys in the next one.